Science Interactive's award-winning lab kits enable you to take your science lab online easily and effectively. Shipped right to your student's doorstep, our kits combine physical materials with rigorous curriculum. Each kit is customized to align with the lessons you have selected. No matter what lessons you choose, all of our microbiology kits feature lab-grade glassware, samples, and media. When performing microbiology experiments in a home environment, it is critical that materials are safe and consistent. We package all the materials students need for an individual experiment in what we call chem bags. This helps students stay organized throughout the semester. Inside the chem bags, chemicals and media are packaged in single experiment volumes, just enough so that students can conduct procedures without running the risk of cross-contamination between lessons. If they make a mistake, there's always enough to do the procedure a second time. In lessons such as aseptic technique, culturing microbes, bacterial morphology, and staining techniques, we provide students with E. coli and S. epidermidis cultures to learn how to culture and identify microorganisms. To ensure student safety, the cultures we provide are always pure strains of non-virulent microbes. We have several options for microscopy. If your school requires physical microscopes, we provide state-of-the-art compound light models along with everything students need for slide preparation and viewing. Conversely, if cost is a concern and your school doesn't have that requirement, all microscopy lessons can be completed using our proprietary vScope. This virtual tool includes over 100 fully interactive prepared slides and replicates the experience and procedures of a physical microscope. From rigorous experiments to kit logistics like material sourcing and shipping, Science Interactive provides a complete online science lab solution, meaning you can focus on what matters most, teaching the scientists of tomorrow, no matter where they are today.